channel did not do well today. Redbox Entertainment dropped 13.54%, closing the day at $8.43. However, in the after hours, the stock has picked up a further 1.42% and is now trading at $8.55 in the after hours. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Previously on Friday, Redbox Entertainment closed at $9.75 and today opened at $9.37. Volume was at 4.7 million, which is really low compared to the average volume of 21 million shares that exchange hands. The market capitalization of Redbox Entertainment remains at $382 million. So it has been said that there's a lot of short interest in Redbox Entertainment. I don't know if those people are covering their short positions, but we see the stock coming down slowly, and today it actually came down in spectacular fashion, dropping a whopping 13.54%. If we look at the monthly, we can see how on certain days Redbox Entertainment rose spectacularly, but since about June 13th, which is about 2 weeks ago, the stock has been battered and is slowly losing its upward momentum. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys, that today was not a good day on Wall Street, and also particularly for Redbox Entertainment Inc. Redbox Entertainment, of course, you guys know they rent out movies from special kiosks that display the titles, and you find these around pharmacies, around mini malls and shopping centers all over the United States. And it's a model that you would think was obsolete, but it's a standalone kiosk. It doesn't need an attendant there 24/7, and so it's self-service, and it operates by itself. So it's a very good business model, especially in certain neighborhoods that are underserved by either cable or people having a variety of means that they can use to acquire CDs, DVDs, or Blu-ray discs. So Redbox Entertainment, there was also the announcement that they will be acquired by another company, Chicken Soup for the Soul, and we don't know how far they've gone with that. So the company, of course, you have people who think that the stock is worth very little, and so they're shorting Redbox Entertainment Inc. reportedly. But on the other side, you have this group of investors who gather and trade ideas mostly on online forums, and so they are gathering and buying up Redbox Entertainment stock, and that has been pushing the price of the stock upward. So that's the battle between the little guy and some big institutional money people who are shorting the stock. Well, it's quite interesting. We will keep an eye and see what eventually happens, but the economy at large is still very shaky legs. So you just have to be careful how you do your investment, and make sure you do your due diligence. Thank you for your time, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.